Hi guys, are you ready to work on our shapes? Okay, so first we are going to talk about these shapes. So you have an activity to do afterwards. So just watch this video and then you can do your activity. So this one, this green silly face, is a circle. No sides. The next one over here in blue with a really crazy face, this is a hexagon. And we know it's a hexagon because we know how many sides it has. So let's go ahead and count. Are you guys ready? Let me get a pencil over here and I'll count it. So here's one side, two sides, three sides, four sides, five sides, and six sides. So when a shape has six sides, it's called a hexagon. That's right. Okay, let's go ahead and erase these and we will see what the next one is. Oh, look at these. Okay, so this long and skinny, it looks like a circle, but it's not. It's an oval. An oval. And then this pink shape, let's see what that is. Remember, we can figure it out by counting the sides. So let's count. Here's one, then we have two, here's three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. So 8-sided object is a octagon. Good job. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Oh, okay. So the red shape is a rectangle. A rectangle is when it has two equal sides. So like this one and this one are equal, and then these two are equal sides. So it's 4-sided shape with two sides equal and then the other two equal. All right, and then this purple shape is a pentagon. And we know it's a pentagon because we can count how many sides it has. And so let's see how many sides a pentagon has. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides. All right, good job, guys. Let's move to the next set of shapes. All right, so this shape right here in yellow is known as a diamond or a rhombus. It has 4 sides. It kind of looks like a square if you tilt your head, but up and down it is a diamond. So a diamond that has 4 sides. Oh, and this orange one, this one is known as a square. It has 4 sides. And what's different about this is all the sides of a square are equal. So let's move to the next one. Oh, all right. So a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Look at that happy triangle. All right. The next one is called a trapezoid. This is kind of a funny looking shape. So these sides are slanted. It has 4 sides, and one side is really long, and then the other side is short. But 4 sides on a trapezoid. Good job. All right, so these are different things that we can find out in our everyday world that we could say, oh, well, I know what shape that is. So we're just going to go through and look and see what they are. And then we can guess what they are. So the ring, what do we think? What does that look like? A rhombus, right? Because it's up and down. And then we have this, which is also a rhombus. And this sheet of paper. So let's look at this. So it's kind of like a square, but not really, because these 2 sides are equal and they're long. These 2 sides are short. So that's known as a rectangle. Okay. So then let's look at this little birdie house. So let's count the sides on this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon. Nice job. And then this mirror, see how it's kind of tilted, but it's skinny and round, but not round like a circle, right? So that one's an oval. Then we have a clock, and that clock is round. So I bet you guys know what this is. A circle. And here's another circle with the soccer. Oh, let me see. There we go. All right, this one's tricky because you think it's a circle because it's a soccer ball, but they're asking you what this little tiny block is, this black block. So we'll just count the sides and then we can determine what it is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon. All right, and then we have this silly looking ladybug, and it kind of looks like a circle, but it's not, right? Because it's tall and skinny. So we know that it's a oval. And then here's a spider web. And remember, when we don't know what a spider or what a shape is, we can always count the sides. And that's a lot to remember. So let me use my pen and we'll see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we remember what 8 sides are? An octagon. That's right, guys. All right, and then we know that a stop sign over here is already an octagon. Okay, so let's slide down and see what else we have. So now we're going to count sides again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. 6 sides is a hexagon. That's right. And then here's a beehive, and we're going to count the sides on this little comb. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is also a hexagon. All right, let's do this. So this pizza is a triangle, right? Because it's got 3 sides. Here's 1, 2, 3. And then we move over here to the cake, and it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay. Last bit of shapes. So we're not going to count the purse strap, but we're going to count this shape right here. Do you remember when one side's really long, the other side's short, and then it's got 2 slanted on the ends? That's a trapezoid. Do you guys remember that trapezoid? And then this lampshade, same thing, 2 slanted sides, a long edge and a short edge, and that is another trapezoid. Okay, these ones are a little bit easier. So this has 4 equal sides, which makes it a square, and then a window too. 4 equal sides, which makes a square, but then we also have little squares in between. So we have 4 little squares and then 1 big square to make a window. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed your shape video and have fun doing your penguin shape match, and I will see you guys later. Bye.